Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we'll be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. This one here is going to be part 1. You guys will be seeing part 2 in a couple weeks. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see what I picked up in that other haul. But today I did break it up into 3 parts. I have all like the skincare stuff first, we have makeup second, and then third is more of the random kind of products. So if you want to see what I picked up at my local Dollar Tree, of course just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks or makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it. And the video's gonna start right now. So first product I want to show you guys is the Lip Smacker Coca-Cola Cherry Lip Balm. How stunning is this packaging? It's super cute. I decided just to pick up one. I honestly thought I picked up 2, but I guess I just picked up the cherry one just because it looked the most intriguing. It looks super adorable, so definitely cannot wait to try this out. And again, this is from Lip Smacker. So cute. They also had an orange one, if you're wondering. It's a close-up look at it without the packaging. Isn't it so cute? You guys know, if you guys follow me, that I love lip balms, so I always purchase them so I can have them on hand. And there's a look at that lip balm. It's so cute. Honestly, it does have a hint of a cherry smell to it. Next, I bought 2 of the Be Pure Lip Sugar Lip Scrub, and there's a look at that. And I also picked up their mint lip oil as well. All right, so there's a look at the Sugar Lip Scrub. Doesn't it look so interesting? I do already own a couple of things from Be Pure, so I really have been enjoying their brand. I think they come up with really cool products. And also their packaging is very sleek and very like clean-esque. It's not like too bright or colorful in your face, just like mature, I guess. It's so cute. So let's take a look at the product itself. That's how it looks. I'm surprised at how liquidy it is, but oh yeah, you can definitely feel the little scrubs in there. All right, so this looks really interesting. And it has like a hint of just like a clean scent. So okay, really intriguing. Can't wait to try it out on the lips. Oh my goodness. I had a feeling. I picked it up. It was right next to me. I didn't see it. But let's talk about the lip oil first, and we'll go back to that. This is the Be Pure lip oil, as you can see. Again, I really love their packaging. And this one is mint scented. So let's take a look at, oh my god, it's like super liquidy. Oh yeah, it looks like very glossy. Oh, but it's like a thicker kind of formula, so I can see it staying on the lips. It's not super liquidy, not super runny. All right, it looks very promising. All right, so it turns out I did have the other lip balm. This one here is the Lip Smacker Fanta Orange Lip Balm. So I knew I had picked it up. I don't know why it was like kind of hiding from me, but I do also own this one as well now. So let's see how it looks when it's open. So there's a look at the Fanta Lip Smacker. This one actually smells like orange. Smells really good. All right, next I picked up a little pack of the Pond's Purify and Refresh Makeup Remover Facial Wipes. I hadn't seen these at my local Dollar Tree, so I wanted to try them out. Why not? A little pack. I like to use these to clean my makeup products whenever I need something to like clean up my wing, if I need something to remove my lip product or whatever it may be. Just to have them on hand is very essential for me. I really did want to try these out, and I'll see how these work. I also did go ahead and pick up one of the Bolero Hydrating Paper Facial Mask. This one here is in watermelon and sweet mint, so we'll see how this works. But it looked really interesting. I really wanted to see my thoughts. All right, next we're getting into makeup. The first product is the Wet n Wild Glitter Eyeliner. So I did spot this at my local Dollar Tree. This one here, I'm not sure what the name is. Oh, it's at the bottom. You could barely read it. I'll take it out of the packaging right now, but how beautiful is it packaged? This is so nice. So there's a closer look at the Wet n Wild Glitter Eyeshadow. You know what's weird? It doesn't have a specific name to it. It's just like a number. It just gives you a number on the bottom, but there's a look at that. Let's see how the wand looks. Oh, so it is like a liner kind of moment. I'm really intrigued now. Interesting. So it is like a gold kind of liner. All right, the swatch is like whatever. We're gonna see how it works on the eyes. Let me try to build it up. That's how it looks built up. It looks promising. It's not going to stand out as much as I'd like it to. Well, you never know. Maybe it looks different on the eyes, but there's the swatch of that one. Next, I bought a couple of Remi Rose Cosmetics products. I picked up 2 of their lip oils. I had never seen these. I usually just see their liquid lipsticks, which I did purchase another one of those, but their lip oils I had never seen. So first off, we have their Holly lip oil. Give you guys a close-up look at that. And then we have the one in Lucia. This one also looks so beautiful. And in the back it does say it has a glossy shine with a hint of color, provides comfortable wear on the daily. There's the shade Holly, which is a more pinky kind of one, and it does have some like shimmers in there. And then we have the other one, which is Lucia, which is a darker kind of shade. These look so promising. They look so stunning as well. Now let's swatch it a little bit. This one smells like vanilla, just like a very thin lip oil. I'll definitely update you guys in a future video on these. Let me know if you want to see a top 5, bottom 5 of Remi Rose Cosmetics. I have a couple of their things in my collection, but there's a swatch of both of them. Like I said, I also picked up one of their liquid lipsticks. This is their Everlasting liquid lipstick. I thought that was interesting that that's the name. It kind of sounds like Have on D, you know. And this one here is in the shade Kristy. It looks super beautiful and vampy. The liquid lipstick formula is amazing. I already finished like 2 of them up in this oh gosh, I don't remember the name of it, but it's like a beautiful kind of nude moment, and this one just called out to me. Now this one does have the name on the bottom, opposed to the lip oils. It just says lip oil on the bottom. This one actually has the name, and this one again is in the shade Kristy. Yeah, this is so beautiful. There's the shade Kristy. Definitely worth it. I also went ahead and picked this up. This is the Ionic Cosmetics Baby Rose Blush. I think I already own this color. I think it's in my Shop My Stash right now for the month of September, but I wanted this one so badly because this one here is in Virgo and it is my birthday season, so why not splurge? And it has a really cute picture on it as well. And again, this one here is in Baby Rose, and on the back it tells you Virgo from August 23rd to September 22nd, kind, hardworking, practical. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, how stunning is that packaging? I'll give you guys an up close look at that. It's so beautiful. The blush itself I already own, so I already know that I love it. It's like a perfect everyday kind of tone. And then that's how the front cover looks. How beautiful is that? And there's a look at the back. I cannot get over how stunning this little picture is. It looks so beautiful. This was part of their Zodiac collection. If you're wondering, they have a bunch of other stuff in the same collection with all the other signs. So stunning. Love it. All right, let's get into the last kind of randomly products. The first one is this one that I saw in the cute little section by the cash registers where they always have like cute little notebooks and pens, all that stuff. They did have this necklace, and I've really been wanting a gold necklace because I did lose my other one. So I saw this one and I thought it was the cutest little necklace. It looks kind of cheapy, you know, it looks like it's gonna break easily. It's not gonna last forever, but I just thought it was adorable, and the picture on it's adorable as well, so I just went ahead and picked it up. Why not? Super cute. So we'll see how this works. Next product is for my phone. This is their phone stands. They actually had a bunch of other colors. This one here is a dark pink with like sparkles on it, so I'll give you guys an up close. But how cute is this product? So that's how it looks when you open it. So basically you just kind of put it together. I'm honestly gonna have to play with this and see. Oh, there we go. So this is where your phone goes, and then you could just adjust the little stand if you want it to be high or like low, whatever it may be. I think that is so cute, and then it does fold up to be like travel friendly. I think that's adorable. So this product I had also like purchased in a different haul, but mine is kind of rubbing off, or like all the words are coming off, so I decided just to repurchase. This is their keychain, and it says the future is female. It's just adorable, so I went ahead and picked up another one. Lastly, we have a couple of shower gels. These are both from April Bath and Showers, so I did run out of shower gel, so I went ahead and picked these up. So the first one is the scented shower gel in vanilla and cinnamon. It looks so nice and promising. I really love the ones in these packaging. They also have some other ones that come in a more rectangle packaging, which are also really nice. And then we have this one here, and this one is the coconut milk scented shower gel. So I cannot wait to try these, and I'm definitely gonna let you guys know my thoughts. But yeah, so far so good with the shower gels from the Dollar Tree. They're really nice. They lather well. The scent doesn't really stay too long, but I think they're cute. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of those, and we made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that are below. So don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.